Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome back to my channel. So earlier I posted the 7 must-do deals for online at CVS next week. Wanted to do a separate video for some great deals in store. So there are 4 freebies and possible money makers depending on what CRTs you have for some in-store deals next week. We are getting 3 mystery coupons at the Redbox as well. So keep that in mind. If you are choosing to go to CVS to pick up some essentials, make sure you stop at the Redbox, type in your phone number, and get those instant coupons and CRTs. So I will be doing another subscriber appreciation giveaway, trying to figure out what to give away. So I thought of 3 different options here. Drop a comment, let me know what you guys would like best. I can either do more beauty products, different facial masks and lotions, makeup, things like that. Or I was thinking maybe like an herb gardening kit would be cute, seeing as we're getting into springtime where you can plant the different herbs outside. That way that'll kind of lessen how much you have to go out, have some nice fresh herbs at your house. Or I can do a $10 gift card to like CVS, Walgreens, Amazon, whichever you guys choose. So drop a comment below, let me know which one you guys would like. I will be posting how to enter my giveaway in my Sunday CVS haul video. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So when I post that video on Sunday, you guys will be notified and you can enter in that giveaway. So let's go ahead and dive right into these deals. All the deals in the online deals video, you of course can do in store as well. These are separate deals that you can do, including the spring cash card scenario. I do have a scenario for you at the end. So EUCERIN lotion is on sale again. Spend $20, get a $10 extra buck, limit of 1. We have $2 and $3 coupons coming in the 4 or 5 Retail Me Not. So we'll have to see what they are for. One deal you can do is pick up one of the skin calming lotions for $9.79. One of the EUCERIN daily hydrations, they're $10.49. Use 2 of the $3 off coupons, or you can get them printable from eucerin.com. Just click on the US website. If you have a $2 EUCERIN CRT and a 3 off of 10 or 3 off of 12 lotion CRT, make sure you use those with this deal. You'll pay $9.28, get back a $10 extra buck. So this is our first freebie and a 72-cent moneymaker. NIVEA body wash. So I'm very excited about this deal. NIVEA body wash is my favorite. That's what I really like to use. So they switched the smaller NIVEA body washes to the larger ones that are 20 ounces, and they're $7.99. So the deal next week is buy one, get a $2 extra buck. It is a limit of 1. So what you can do is pick up one of the 20-ounce body washes. Use the $1 off 1 coupon from the $3.29 Smart Source insert. If you have a 2 off of 6 or 2 off of 8 body wash CRT, make sure you use that with this deal as well. Then you're going to use $3 instant coupon we got from the Redbox the current week. So if you haven't used that yet, make sure you save it. Can give you a nice freebie for next week. You'll wind up paying $1.99, getting back the $2 extra buck, so final cost is completely free. RIMMEL is on sale. There's a couple different makeup items that you can do, including the CoverGirl Moneymaker that I did post in my online haul video or online deal video. So if you haven't checked that out, I will have it linked in the description box as well as at the end of this video. That way you guys will get a ton of deals that you can do both in store and online for next week at CVS. So RIMMEL is buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. It is a limit of 1. The current week is, I believe, spend 12, get a $4 extra buck. So next week is definitely a better deal if you like RIMMEL Cosmetics. So one scenario, you can buy the RIMMEL 1000 Kisses Lip Liner for $4.59. And one of the eyeliners for $4.79. You can use a $2 Rimmel Eye coupon that we got in the $3.29 Smart Source. We also had them available from coupons.com a couple weeks ago. The expiration date for mine shows April 11th, so we still have some time to use those. Then you're going to use a $2 Rimmel lip coupon. You'll pay $5.38, get back a $5 extra buck. Final cost is just 38 cents for both. And of course, this does track towards CVS Beauty. Every $30 you spend in beauty items, you're going to get an additional $3 beauty buck. Revlon, some more makeup. So there is a $3 coupon showing that it's coming in the Sunday paper, but I looked online on Southern Savers and I can't find what insert it's going to come out of, so I'll have to let you guys know on Sunday if it comes in my inserts in my region. One deal you can do, it is spend 10, get a $4 extra buck. It is a limit of 6. So one deal you can do is pick up one of the Revlon Candid face powders for $9.99. Use the $3 coupon from the Sunday inserts. Then we're getting a mystery coupon at the red box. So let's just estimate that it'll be $3. It's usually at least $3. You'll pay $3.99, get back a $4 extra buck. Final cost is absolutely free. Now I also have a 5 off of 20 Revlon coupon, Revlon CRT. So I will put together that deal and probably do that in my haul on Sunday. So if you also have that CRT, stay tuned on my channel and it will be in the printable breakdown for you on Sunday. SUAVE Professionals, this also tracks towards CVS Beauty. They're on sale, buy 2, get a $3 extra buck, limit of 1. So they're on sale 2 for $6 as well. You can pick up a shampoo and a conditioner or 2 of 1, doesn't matter. If you still have another 3 off of 2 coupon from the $3.29 Retail Me Not insert, you'll pay $3, get back $3, so final cost is absolutely free. This is definitely a great freebie. Tide Simply Bounce fabric softener sheets or the Downy Unstoppables are going to be on sale next week for $2.94. There is a 50-cent coupon coming in the Sunday paper, or you can print one from pgeveryday.com. Then you'll be left to pay just $2.44. So not a bad deal. Not the best, but still not a bad deal if you need some cheap laundry soap. And I wanted to put in an Easter candy deal. Easter is right around the corner. It's going to be on sale. Buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. So the ones that are on sale is the bottom picture here on the right. It's for the Hershey's Original Easter Kisses, Eggs, Miniatures, or Cadbury Mini Eggs. So they're on sale, 3 for $9. You're going to pick up any 3 you can mix and match. Then I'm going to grab 2 of the Peeps as well. My boyfriend's daughter loves Peeps, so we're going to try to put together a cute little Easter basket for her. I got a 3 off of 10 Easter candy CRT that I'm going to go ahead and use with this deal. You'll pay $9, get back a $3 extra buck, so final cost is $6 for all 5 items, or just $1.20 each, which I thought is definitely a great price point for some Easter candy. So now let's get into the cash card scenario that I put together. There are a ton of different options, of course, that you guys can do. Mix and match whatever works best for your family. I didn't include any paper products except for the Kleenex wet wipes. My stores have had a couple of them available. I haven't seen those wiped out yet, so that's why I did include this in the deal. They also have some different hair care products. They have Kleenex included, not Kleenex, I meant Windex. Windex is included, scrubbing bubbles is included. So we'll have to see, of course, what our stores have available in stock for us to be able to put together even more scenarios. So for this, it is a limit of 1. And when you spend $30, you're going to get a $10 cash card. So remember, the coupon will print at the end of your receipt. Hand it right back to the cashier immediately because the coupon code does expire. So I do it immediately, get that cash card, which is just like a plastic CVS gift card, and those do not expire. That is why these cash cards are so amazing. So for this scenario, Maybelline is on sale, buy one, get one half off, and we're getting a mystery offer. So you can buy one of the Maybelline Fit Me powders at $8.59, one of the Tide liquid for $11.94. We are getting a send to card coupon. I'm just not sure which of those products is going to be the send to card because it's kind of right in the middle of the Scott, the Viva, and the Tide and Gain. So we'll have to see on Sunday. 2 of the Kleenex wet wipes for $3. 2 of the Garnier Fructis shampoo or conditioner for $7. Total for these products is going to come right above at $30.53. So these are all the coupons that you're going to need for this deal. If you still have the $2 Maybelline Face product coupon, digital, make sure you clip that, send it to your card. We also have a $1 off app-only coupon for Maybelline foundations or powders. So if it is app-only, you have to clip that and send it to your card from your smartphone. You will not find it if you log in from a computer. Then you're going to use that Maybelline mystery coupon. We don't know how much it's going to be, but I'm just estimating it to be $3. The $2 Tide liquid digital. 2 50-cent coupons for the Kleenex wet wipes that you can print from Kleenex.com. Then you can use a 50-cent another app-only coupon for Kleenex and a 3 off of 2 Garnier Fructis coupon we're getting in the 4-5 inserts. Total is going to be $12.50 for all of these coupons. And here is the final breakdown. So after all the coupons, you're going to pay $18.03 out of pocket, get back that $10 cash card. Final cost is $8.03 for 6 items or $1.33 each. Of course, the math on this could go up or down depending on how much that mystery coupon is worth. Another great cash card scenario is going to be on the L'Oreal facial care, because if you spend $30, you're going to get the $10 cash card. If you spend $35, you're also going to get a $10 rebate from CVS.com. So I will look into that. I will post any additional updates or information on how to get the rebate on Sunday when I do my CVS haul. If you guys do have any questions or anything, make sure you guys let me know. Like usual, drop a comment and let me know which of those 3 you guys would like to see for my giveaway that I will be doing on Sunday. That's when you guys will be able to enter, so don't forget to check out that video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.